Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to work with the casting in Python. Okay, so basically when we are working with casting in the Python, we will use the constructor functions. Okay, so in the Python we have some constructor function in integer, float, and string. So now in this video today I will show you how to working with this. Okay, I will close this one and open the Visual Studio Code on my Windows PC. I will create a new file. The name is casting.py. Okay, so here I will have a, for example, I will have a number. A variable is I have a, for example, it will be equal the, I have a float. The first one I will work with the, we have some the constructor function, like we have a integer, float, and string. Okay, so now here we work with the one by one now. So the first one, it will be the integer. Okay, so here if we provide the integer number, for example is 10, and then we print it out, print the a. Okay, save it, and now we run, it will print out 10. Okay, close this one, and if I change this one to the float decimal, it will be 5. So when we casting it into the from float into the integer, it will rounding down. Yeah, that means the result will be 10 in this of the 10.5. Yeah. Okay, so here if we change, if okay, I will work with, come back with this later. So here, for example, I have a string here, test, and run this. Of course it will be error. Yeah, we cannot convert it to the from the string to integer. Okay, so here if this string is the number 3, what happened? Run this. Yeah, it work. We have a result is 3. So same thing if we have 3.5 or 0.6, it will convert the string here to the number, and then it will rounding down. It will be equal 3 instead of 3.6. Invalid. Okay, it is not working. Like, okay, it's, let me back and run this again. Okay, 0 error again. Okay, that means we cannot provide the float values and a string. Okay, so here I will comment this one, and the next step I will work with float. So when we work with float, it will be more flexible than the integer. Clear this one and run this again. It will be return 3.0. Okay, good. 0.5. Yeah, it returned 3.5. The same thing if we provide this one is a float number, it will return the value is 3.5 as well. Yeah, 3 here, so will be returned 3.0. Yes, it's working fine. So that means the float number will be more flexible than integer. Okay, I comment this one, and a equal string. I will provide the number for this one. Yep, and run this. What happened? Yeah, so it will return the value is 3. Yeah, so now it will consider this one is string, not float, not integer number. Okay, so here if we have 3 as a string, so it will return the 3. Okay, 3.5, return 3.5. Okay, and take here hello from GNVS. Save it. Yes, return. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to use the constructor functions. In the Python, we have integer, float, and string for the casting. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any comment, leave it for me in the comment section of this video. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye. See you guys in the next video.